Hello everyone and welcome to my first ever full form video. Today, I'm initiating my research on where can I find the best brownies in Bangalore. Why brownies, you may ask? Why not? Brownies. These sinfully delicious sweet creations are said to be created as a mistake when a baker forgot to add the rising agent while making a chocolate cake, resulting in a flat and dense cake that was named brownie. But this is just an urban legend. This dessert was created in the kitchen of the Palmer House Hotel during the 1893 Columbian Exposition when Mrs. Bertha Palmer requested the chef to make a lady's dessert that would be easier to eat than a piece of pie and smaller servings than a slice of layered cake, which could be used in a box lunches at the women's building in the fair. And these brownies were nothing like the modern brownies. The modern brownies, as we know them today, arrived quite recently and has ever since sparked a point of debate among its lovers. Fudgy, cakey, centerpiece, side piece, serving them warm or serving them cold. Everything is up for debate. So naturally, I wanted to see where can I find the best brownies in Bangalore, my homely abode. The rules of the research are pretty simple. I will order 1 plain brownie and 2 any of the exciting brownie flavors that they offer. And I will be ranking them on based of these 3 obvious parameters: the crinkle top, the texture and the taste. Alright, so let's get started. First on our list is the food of gods, Theobroma. In the present world, Theobroma is not just a popular bake. It personifies every baker's dream of starting their own bakery. Today, what is a bakery chain with 225 outlets across India started as one-room enterprise by sisters Kainas Messman and Tina Messman 20 years ago. An enterprise started with a capital of 1 crore is looking to be acquired for 3,500 crores. And naturally, that sparked a conversation among netizens and soared my expectations really high. At the time when the baking scene in India was not as elevated as it is today, Kainas and Tina managed to find a niche with urban youngsters who wanted European-style brownies and desserts that did not hurt the pocket. And guess what? I'm an urban youngster and I love brownies. So there is no one better to do this than me as a title target consumer. Full disclosure, I have tried chocolate truffle cake from Theobroma before, which I really liked. Even though it was on a little drier side for me, I like the taste of it. But I've never tried the brownies from Theobroma, so this is going to be an actual review. And I've heard many of my friends rave about them, so this is going to be a really exciting review as well. So I arrived at the Jayanagar outlet of Theobroma and I was immediately awed by the decor and distracted by the branded mugs at their stores. But I was here for their brownies. So for the plain brownie, I ordered the chocolate chip brownie, and for 2 variations, I went for the cookie brownie, or as the internet likes to call it, brookie, and the millionaire brownie. My initial thoughts when I look at them is that they look really dry. So I could see the dryness of the brownie alongside the cracks forming in the foundation of my high soaring expectations. But yeah, looks can be deceiving, right? So let's get to tasting. First of all is the chocolate chip brownie. It looked very dull and the crinkle top was non-existent. Taste-wise, it was somehow not chocolatey enough but super sweet at the same time.
It's not the chocolate it just tastes sweet. Brownie is supposed to be chocolatey.
Reminding me of these premix brownies that we get, which is not good for the price point. Also, it left a very off-putting taste in my mouth, which was very weird. It almost tasted stale. So if I have to rate this, the crinkle top was non-existent, the texture was super dry, and the taste was meh. I will give this brownie, has some potential, could lose the aftertaste though, out of 5. Next was the cookie brownie, which had layers of brownie at the bottom and cookie bits sprinkled on the top very artfully. Looks wise, it looked a lot better than the chocolate chip one, of course. And taste wise, okay, the brownie part tasted a lot better in this compared to the chocolate chip one. Like the brownie was actually chocolatey and moist, at least in the center. And the cookie layer complemented the brownie really well. It didn't really dominate each other, so it was a good balance of flavors as well. But texture wise, The sides were again really dry on this brownie as well. But the center was good, so
Cheers. No, that's good.
So if I have to rate this, I will rate this much better than the previous brownie out of 5. And the final brownie was the Millionaire Brownie, which had layers of brownie in the bottom, caramel in the middle, and chocolate ganache on the top. By far, this was the best looking brownie in the lot. Texture wise, it was not dry at all. The brownie was super fudgy, super moist, the sides were not dry. And looking at the previous experiences at Theobroma, I thought the chocolate ganache and the caramel will be the only saving grace for this brownie. But the brownie was actually good. Like, it was nice and chocolatey. It didn't have any of those aftertaste. It was actually nice. So that leads me to wonder, like, it's not like Theobroma can't make good brownies. Like, clearly we have a good brownie here. So why was the choco chip one and the cookie one kind of bad? Like, what was wrong with it? Especially the choco chip one. Like, what was wrong with that? I have no idea. You let me know. Like, you let me know what do you think, why that was so bad. So if I have to rate the Millionaire Brownie, I will rate this best out of the lot out of 5. Yeah. So my final thoughts are, according to my personal experience, personal and individual experience, Theobroma brownies were a little overrated for me. I did not like the aftertaste at all. The choco chip brownie was a no for me. But the Millionaire Brownie and the cookie brownie was fine. So if you're going to completely disregard my review and anyway are going to Theobroma, then I would recommend getting the Millionaire Brownie. That was really good. It was worth your money. But stay away from the Satan choco chip brownie, please. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And let me know what do you think about Theobroma brownies and my review in comments below. And also let me know what places you want me to review next. I am open for suggestions. And I'll see you guys in the next video.